Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the device and opening the lock settings now. Make sure the phone has enough charge and you're logged in. Once done, go straight to Settings, then Lock Screen or Security. You'll be prompted to confirm your existing PIN or password. Enter it to proceed. This step unlocks the options you need, so don't skip verification. Keep your finger steady if biometric unlock appears, because a quick false read wastes time and blocks the next steps. Now you enable the touch lock and configure specifics. Select the touch lock or screen lock preferences heading, then toggle touch lock on. You can adjust touch sensitivity to avoid accidental taps, and you should set a timeout so the lock engages after a chosen interval. Once set, assign which apps or widgets remain responsive. This limits interaction while keeping critical tools available. Make sure to test the sensitivity quickly, so you finish by saving settings and performing a full test of the lock/unlock sequence. Lock the screen, try allowed app interactions, and confirm unauthorized touches do nothing. If gestures or taps fail, go back to sensitivity and recalibrate. Small adjustments often fix misreads. Once done, make sure automatic activation works at the chosen timeout. If the touch lock behaves inconsistently, restart the device and retest. This simple reboot clears temporary input issues and ensures the new touch lock settings apply correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.